Pardon.
Un jour nommé. Un jour proposition. On ne pas de déranger. Pas de déranger.
C'est avant c'est trop vite. C'est avant c'est trop vite. Ok. Ah, là, ça, on est loin là. Hey.
Monsieur le coordonnateur. Je vous en prie. Monsieur le directeur de la police nationale d'Haïti. But it seems like a long journey. A long journey because we have fought together. We have shared some happy moments, but also some sad moments. Même si le commandant Olivier l'a déjà fait, et au nom de la présidence et au nom du gouvernement haïtien, je vous demande un moment de silence pour les camarades, monsieur le champion. Merci beaucoup. It is true that sometimes we have misunderstood the nature of the violence in Haiti. And we've been addressing if I can say, only the visible violence. But what we have come to understand right now is that this visible violence is seated on different pillars. When we're talking about pillars, we're talking about drug trafficking, we're talking about arms and ammunition trafficking, organs trafficking, but also a lot of money laundering. It is true that President Petro from Colombia, it has said that the violence in Haiti has its origin in Guayaquil, somewhere in Colombia, which means that drug trafficking is at the basis of what we are living as violence in Haiti right now. So in order for us to face this challenge, we have to have another understanding, but also we have to reinforce our logistics. We have to reinforce our intelligence. We have to reinforce our human resources. And this is why we have to thank our brothers from Kenya who came here to support the National Police and the Armed Forces in Haiti. And this is why we are here to celebrate with them the first anniversary, but also to say thank you. Thank you for the courage. Thank you for the participation in making Haiti another place for the citizens of this country. For sometimes we understand, and the ambassador of Canada to say it, we have to have another view in the way we govern this country. Pour que les gens puissent bien comprendre, parce que nous parlons d'une autre manière, d'une autre gouvernance à l'intérieur de ce pays. On doit comprendre que cette violence que nous sommes en train de vivre en Haïti, cette violence n'est pas tombée du ciel. On le dit, on le répète plusieurs fois. Ça a été une violence construite. Ça a été une violence construite par des gens, par des citoyens de ce pays. Et depuis 15-20 ans, nous sommes en train de construire ce chaos. Donc ce chaos que nous sommes en train de vivre en Haïti, c'est un chaos qui nous a été amené pendant ces 15-20 dernières années par des gens qui ont pris l'État en otage de ce pays. Ils ont privé l'État des ressources nécessaires pour que cet État puisse offrir des services de sécurité, des services de justice, des services de santé et des services d'éducation à la population. But this is why we are here today. We are here not only to say thank you, but we are here also to make sure that everybody understands that we have to have a new way to govern this country. And this way, this means transparency in what we are doing. This new way, it's mean to reinforce our security forces. This new way, we have to make sure that the institutions in Haiti are built on the way. And this is what we are doing. We are doing it together. But today, we just have to say thank you. Thank you for your all. Thank you for our brothers in the Caribbean. They are here with us. Thank you to President Woto, who was the first to make sure that the troops can come to Haiti. But thank you to you all, and a happy anniversary to you. Merci beaucoup, merci à vous tous.
Thank you very much, Excellency, for your
situation vraiment difficile et la première à ce niveau en ce qui concerne l'insécurité depuis 1986. Et je dirais aussi que c'est la situation la plus critique que Haïti a connue après les 30 ans de dictature plurialiste. Nous remercions toute cette solidarité internationale, le soutien de la mission internationale et la collaboration du commandant-chef avec la BNH. Merci, bon anniversaire.
Thank you very much. You can see it would have been very, very bad if I don't call him to say hi, because the last while said that when we lost our
security support mission in Haiti, operating from Port-au-Prince, our mission is to conduct critical aeromedical evacuations, ensuring the rapid and safe transport of injured personnel to remain committed to saving lives and standing shoulder to shoulder with our international partners in